doing, Tuffy girl? What you doing, Tuffy girl? Yes. Good girl. Drop that right off of that tree, huh? Raven, you're fine. Oh, yeah. Come on. Yes. Oh, come on. Yeah. Luna. Come on. Yes. Oh. Wow. Wow. Luna. Good. Luna. Yes. Luna. Luna. Whoa. Got it. Whoa. Luna. Yes. You hold it so weird. You hold it so weird. Yes. Yes. You're a weird holder. Luna. Come on, Luna. Luna. I think so, huh? Yes. Good. Much better. Come on, I can tug it that way. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh. Come on. You want it? Come on. Bring it. Bring it. Come on. What you got? What you got, little one? Oh, should we take a break? Okay. Tree? Tree down. Want to lay down? Lay down? Want me to sit down with you? Raven, you're fine. Come here. What? Oh, thank you for the kisses. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Where you going? You leave? No. Okay. You come back. I can pet you. Oh, does that feel good? Look at the snaggle tooth. Look at a little snaggle tooth there. Look at your snaggle tooth. There you go. Yeah. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Is your sister making a fuss? Is she making a fuss? Huh? Is that your sister making a fuss? Huh? Are you ready? Okay. Where's the ducky? Where's the ducky? Luna, bring it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no? You're just gonna run beside me? Woo! Come on. Come on, baby girl. Oh, you don't want to do that. Ready for a break? Yeah? What if I sit on it? Can I sit on it? Can I? Yeah? Are you tired? Are you tired? Oh, you broke my watch. Here we go. Raven, you're okay. Did you see a paw under there? Did you see a paw? Hey. It's under there. Did you see a kitty paw? Is there a kitty paw? There are no kitties up there. They're in their room. Away from you. Oh, I'm better than the kitties now, huh? No? Yes? Oh, good girl.